I have this nice couch. It's clean, tidy. Actually, just had it shampooed clean, but the fabric on the underside of it is torn. Here is the underside of the couch. You can see it's stained, it's ripped. So I'm just gonna tear the whole thing off and put the new fabric on. The items we need to get this done is the upholstery fabric, this one here, uh, and a staple gun and staple. And I bought it really. I had no affinity, unfortunately, to the brand itself, but I like the fact that it can fit in my palm and my grip here, and has a nice little cushion padding here, and that really is the reason. Plus, it had really nice reviews online. So this is model J27. You can buy this fabric at any of your craft store, local craft store. You can also buy it on Amazon. Same thing with the staple gun and the staples. You can buy at any of your home improvement store like Home Depot, Lowe's, or even a Walmart, or you can buy it on Amazon. Either way, I'll put the link in the description here. So as we can see, that these footrests are actually on over or on top of the fabric, but these things come off easy. So I can just rotate it and just like that. So these things, these feet or foot, kind of same thing with the other one, just righty tighty, lefty loosey. So rotating it on the left, taking it off. What I have done is put these feet kind of in the order that I took them off. So top, bottom, just in case they gotta go back a specific way. So, all right, now let's start taking off this fabric. These are just staples, as you can see, and we're gonna be doing the same thing anyway. So let's take it. So what I've done is open the new fabric and put it on the opening here. So you can see it kind of actually extends a little bit more, and this is how we need it because we want extra fabric, about an inch on all sides, at least an inch on all sides, so we can fold it, and so a little bit of a better hold we get when we staple it. If it's just a thin one layer fabric, it's not gonna hold well. All right, so here I have a triple fold. One, two, three. Okay, this is good on this side. Put the staple down here and push. Awesome. So here. Right. Here. Good. So we got a good, nice frame going here. And in between, again, triple fold. So get a better form fold here. Awesome. It's as easy as this. Now I'm going to be working on the other side. So one, two. So we don't want it too tight, right? We don't want it too stretchy. A little bit of a room is important. Should be a little bit lax. So this is where the foot rest. This is where the screw is gonna go. So that's why I made a little triangle area here. Yeah. The same triangle area on here. This is done. Staple all sides. I'm just gonna put the feet on here back. So this goes here. Right. Okay. This couch is ready to go back inside. Thanks for watching.